Need to combine multiple PDF files into one in just 30 seconds? No software, no sign up, and it's completely free. Here's the fastest method. Open your browser and go to ilovepdf. Click Merge PDF. Now drag and drop all the PDF files you want to combine. You can also rearrange the files by dragging into the correct order, like this. Once everything looks good, click Merge PDF. Wait a few seconds, then click Download Merge PDF. Your combined PDF is ready. If your PDFs contain sensitive information, delete them from the website after downloading for extra privacy. So simply click on this delete now. And that's it. How you merge PDF files in under 30 seconds. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, subscribe to Hello Helper, and I'll see you in the next quick tutorial. Stay tuned.